I'm going to be showing you the power of numbers. Numbers are very, very important in our everyday life. So a lot of people are not aware of this. But number has a lot of spiritual essence. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you different uses of number in spirituality and how they impact our lives. You are welcome back. My name is Lookman, and on this channel we talk about spirituality, simple life hacks, spiritual tips, simple life hacks that can use to better our lives. In this video, I will be showing you different ways by which numbers have meanings to our lives. Though I will not be going into details, but I just want to sensitize us. But there are a series of videos I'll be doing on numerology, that is using the power of number. That is numerology. And by the way, if you don't know, numerology is like a course on its own. Some people studied number, they study number, just number. They are into numerology. I'm not a numerologist, but I know a little of numerology, and I can share that with you because we are talking about simple life hacks. It will be useful for every one of us in our spiritual journey. Now, let's get into it properly. If you don't know, our birth dates are full of meanings because we have numbers. For instance, if you are born on the 28th May 2001, you can just segment it and calculate everything. 13th of May. May is the 5th month. So you just say 13, 1 plus 3, you get an answer, plus 5, you get an answer. Then 2001, 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus another 2 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 1 is 3. Then you add everything together. What the number that comes to you is your number, spiritual number. Everybody has got spiritual number, except you don't have a birth date or you don't know your birth date. Everybody has got a spiritual number embedded in our date of birth. For those who really study numerology very well, they can even guess from your name the month you were born and the particular time, the period of time that you were born. That is number one. Number two is that in your love life, in your relationship with the with your spouse, or with maybe you have a partner, you want to go into a serious relationship, you are planning of marrying that person, you can also know the right person for you through numbers. A lot of people go into relationship, they get into marriage, and later they realize they are not compatible because there are people that are meant for each other. If you are not meant for each other, then there is no point in going into that relationship. So your knowledge of numerology will help you in getting the right spouse. Then number three is the power of number. Your spiritual number will let you understand the kind of jobs you are to do. Some people are fitted for a particular kind of job. Don't say because somebody is doing a particular job, I want to do it. Some people might be successful in doing an office job, but you might not, because your spiritual number does not suit you doing an office job. You have to be an entrepreneur, or you have to be a skilled person. You have to be in on what we call vocational service. As a handiwork, you have your handiwork. That's another thing. The kind of job you choose can be determined by your spiritual number. Your spiritual number can also determine some places you are not to go and you have to go. Some people, they are not supposed to go to some places, but they will say, I want to go. I've known a lot of people who leave their country for the foreign land, thinking that it is a bed of roses. When they get there, others are making it, but it's getting difficult for them. And most of them don't understand spirituality, and they find it difficult making earth's way. Until they come back, they won't succeed. They have to come back. While others are struggling here, they are not supposed to be here. They are supposed to be somewhere else. And when they are there, they won't suffer much, they won't struggle much before things start falling into places for them. Another thing is that you can, from spirituality can help you, spiritual numbers or numbers can help you to determine the fate of your child. Some child are born not to suffer, but a lot of us, because we feel we don't have much, we want to treat the child just like we've been treating other children, and our children are not equal because of these simple numbers. The spiritual number, every child has got his own spiritual number. For instance, if a child's spiritual number is 7 and another one is 4, you cannot treat 4 and 7 the same way. And again, if I might say this, odd number and even number in spirituality. The odd number, say 1, 3, 7, 9, 11. These are numbers that are very, very spiritually powerful. Apart from the fact that they succeed in everything they do, they make it, and people want to help them, want to assist them. A lot of people complain, people are not assisting me, I'm not seeing help. It's because of your spiritual number. You have to understand your spiritual number. If you know your spiritual number, if you are 4, it means you have to depend solely on your handiwork. You work seriously. So my point is that when the others who have like 7, 9, 3, 1, 11, when they are working like 2 hours, you that comes with spiritual number 4, 8, you have to do a lot of work. You have to work and work and work before you can make it. And because one, your spiritual number signify that you don't depend on anybody. Rather, a lot of people will depend on you. In most cases, people with spiritual number 4, 2, 4, 8 are the breadwinners of their family. They do the work while others will just benefit from them. They find it difficult attracting help from others. People don't actually assist them. They are the one that will assist a lot of people. So if you understand this, you won't trouble yourself so much. You can see spiritual number is very important. And like I said, I'm just here to sensitize you to the spiritual importance of numbers in our lives, in our spiritual lives, in our everyday life. And I usually say that the spiritual determines the physical. A lot of people struggle physically, but their faith has been determined in the spiritual. I'm not saying you will not make it. You can make it. But you have to understand the kind of person you are. If you are the type that depends on people and you are not supposed to be depending on people, it's better you depend on yourself. Others will depend on you. You are not the one depending. Why others? A lot of people come together to help them, to assist them. If they want to do anything, people will gather. I've seen so many people that people gather, say, give them money to buy cars, give them money to build a house, give them money to do things. They don't actually struggle so much because people will come to their aid. So your spiritual number is very important. In subsequent videos, and these are lined up, and that is why if you have not subscribed and you want to enjoy this video, you want to enjoy some of these videos that I have lined up, please subscribe and hit the notification, turn on the notification bell, so that when next I release video, you'll be the first person to be notified that I've just released videos. And by the way, if you are already a subscriber, you have subscribed, please share this video. Do well to share it. Leave your comments, give it a like, so that this can get to so many other people. And at the same time, we are looking at building this community. We are going to like 70,000. We want to build it to like 1 million very quickly in a period of, let's say, 3-4 months. And this is achievable with you. So please subscribe, like our videos, give your comment, then share the video so that it will reach other people. And until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.